Hey everyone, Micah here with Electrek, and today we're checking out Buzz's first ever folding electric bike, the Buzz Charter. Let's check it out.
The Buzz Charter F is basically exactly what you think of when it comes to a lightweight urban folding e-bike. It's only 35 pounds or under 16 kilos, meaning it should be easy to lift into a car trunk or onto a subway. It's small and compact with its 20-inch wheels and minimalist frame, and it's got its battery hidden in the seat post, meaning you can remove it along with the seat if you park it outside to prevent either from becoming a target for thieves. The 36-volt battery only has 288 watt-hours of capacity, which is pretty small, but should still be good for 30 or so miles of range if you're easy on the pedal assist, and perhaps even more if you keep it in the lowest pedal assist mode. With a small battery, this e-bike does not come with a throttle, since using pedal assist helps eke out more range. So I hope you like pedaling, since you'll be doing a lot of it. Throttle lovers, this ain't the e-bike for you. But it pedals quite nicely, and so I enjoy taking a break from the throttle. Plus, the 3 levels of pedal assist give a nice range of effort, from doing most of the work myself to just adding a little bit of assist while the 250 watt motor does most of the work. At a top speed of 20 miles an hour or 32 kilometers per hour, the bike maxes out the fastest allowable speed for Class 1 e-bikes in the US. As a city e-bike, that's going to be much more convenient than the many 15 mile an hour electric bikes out there that leave you struggling for speed. 20 miles an hour is still not terribly fast, especially if you're used to faster 28 mile per hour Class 3 e-bikes, but it definitely gets the job done for urban commuting.
And what would a review of a folding e-bike be without seeing it folded? So let's check that out. We'll start by dropping the seat down here as low as that'll go. Then we'll head up to the front, undo the safety on the handlebars, and those fold down. And then in the middle of the bike here again, we'll lift up that safety, pull that one's stiff folding mechanism, and then fold it right in the middle. The pedals themselves don't fold, but it still turns into a pretty tidy package here.
The narrow tires are great for city riding, and they keep the bike nice and lightweight. They won't handle grassy excursions as well as other wider tire options, but that doesn't mean you can't take the occasional shortcut or off-road path, as long as it's fairly well groomed and flat. With no suspension in this e-bike, you're probably best advised to keep treating it like an urban electric bike and sticking to the smooth paths you're used to. While the bike has modest performance in terms of power and battery capacity, the convenience of the design is really what wins me over. But at the same time, there are a few compromises here that jump out at me. The mechanical brakes are a bit more finicky when it comes to maintenance, though I'll say that they do feel good on this bike and they still have plenty of power behind them. There's no fender or rack option on the bike, which is a bit of a bummer for an e-bike designed for the city. The display on the handlebars is a simple LED dot display instead of a more detailed LCD display, though it does work just fine for my needs, even if I don't know how fast I'm going due to the lack of a speedometer. And I will say that there are no lights, which, again, I always feel like should be considered a safety feature, and thus they should be included on all e-bikes. There are some cool double reflectors in back, but they don't quite make up for a complete lack of lights. All in all though, I'd say it still has some pretty good value here, especially considering the low $999 price. There just aren't many decent e-bikes available for under $1,000, but the Buzz Charter F is definitely on my list of decent e-bikes now. I like the lightweight, minimalist design, its comfortable pedaling, and the easy to remove battery. I wouldn't mind a bit more power or battery capacity, but for a light and simple e-bike designed for urban riders that already enjoy pedaling but want a bit of extra assist, it seems to nail the important points. So while there are some aspects that I can see improved, I'm pretty positive on the overall package.
Thanks for watching everyone. We hope you enjoyed that review of the Buzz Charter. If you did, why don't you give this video a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future electric vehicle videos. We'll see you here next time.